I'm so glad that, you know, sex education is being taught in our schools. I'm an educator and I work with children, and I think it's really important that children know about sex, that we talk about sex to children all the time. When I fucked her on the heath, I forgot to bring my sheath. Oh, my balls, they did burn, but a valuable lesson did I learn. Always wear a rubber when you fuck a skank. For this information, me you will thank. So I think that's important, but it's all about making community soup. Oh, community soup. I forgot a voice, community soup. It don't taste too good, but we all made it. It's community soup. We got a gay boy in our class. We got a student who thinks he's a she. We got Islamic people and some other white children too. Community soup. It don't taste so good, but we all made it. That's all that matters, isn't it? Take a bite of your fucking community soup and like it. I have to cut out community soup. I don't think that was